Metal framing automates lie-gauge steel framing design, helping off-site builders, framing contractors and interior contractors work up to 3 times faster in the pre-construction phases. It can automate wall panels, floors and roofs. Metal framing also has tools that can divide large structures into smaller panels, making it an ideal tool for prefab design. Making accurate frame modeling modifications is quick and simple, saving you hours of work. Metal framing also has MEP clash detection tools. Plus, you can quickly and accurately automate the drywall board layouts by splitting parts. Framing component data inputs for scheduling and CNC outputs are also automated. Finally, you no longer need to waste time on manual dimensioning and tag placement for your shop drawings. With metal framing, you can save hours of work by automating the shop drawings.